malaglag ka saan?
Daddy, I'm the captain.
The captain daw.
Daddy, I cannot put this here.
Hello!
Daddy, let me put this here.
You wanna go to back side? It's deep
I
here.
want to put this here.
There?
Yeah.
Nandito po kami ngayon sa Footprints.
Yeah.
Bumalik. Masarap kasi yung tubig nila dito. Maganda siya. Malinis. Super. Kasi tingnan mo na wala man lang kabay-bahay. Resort na dun sa kabila dito. Yan. Resort na yan dyan. Ibang resort. Tapos, dito naman ay yan. Resort din. Wala masyadong tao kaya sobrang linaw ng water. Oh. Super clean. The water is super clean. Anak ko mahilig sa kayak. Ito yung pangarap niya matagal na. Gusto niya siya ang magpapaddle. Oh. Si Mr. Paddle Boy. Daddy gusto niya yung kayak kasi may sandalan daw. Hindi nakakapagod. Relax lang, ganon.
Daddy.
Hello mga viewer. Please don't forget to hit like. Subscribe to my channel.
Kasama namin si Mama Lola.
Para lang yung updated.
Sunset.
Okay, I'm holding it.
This.
Yeah, my feet is holding it.
Hapon na.
Daddy, can I jump? Can I jump there?
No, it's so deep.
I think it's deep, no?